છું દર્શિકા અને તમે જોડાયા છો મીઠીગુજરાતી.com પર. આપણી સાથે જલ્દી જોડાવાના છે વત્સલ શેઠ અને ઈશિતા દત્તા. સો હાય ગાઈઝ, ઈશિતા તમને ગુજરાતી આવડે છે?
I can understand, but I can't speak yet. But I've been I'm hoping in 1-2 years probably I'll be able to speak also.
બેસિક ગુજરાતી તો આવડતું હશે ને? કેમ છો? મજામાં છો?
એકદમ મજામાં. સુઈ જા.
શું છે
સુઈ જા, ચૂપ બેસ.
હા, ચૂપ રહે છે, સુઈ જા. I use that a lot.
પિંકી અને પિન્ટુના જે વિડીયોઝ છે એ બધાને બહુ જ ગમે છે. સો દેટ વોઝ અ લોટ ઓફ, હા, એને એટલા માટે બહુ જ રિક્વેસ્ટ હતી કે પિંકી અને પિન્ટુ લાઈવમાં આવવા જોઈએ. સો આઈ વોઝ લાઈક ઓકે, લેટ્સ કનેક્ટ વિથ ધેમ ધેન. તો આ પિંકી અને પિન્ટુ કેરેક્ટર તમારા દિમાગમાં આવ્યા ક્યાંથી?
During the lockdown, we were at home, and the thing is that being actors, we always wanted to do something. So we started, we started an experiment. I mean, before this, I don't think so. Ishita's ever attempted comedy, and I have only done a film called Paying Guests. So let's just start it. So we started with one joke, and we got a great response. પછી બીજો joke અમે બનાવ્યો. We got a great response after that. And after that, it was amazing. And now actually we get like requests, okay, your Pinky and Pintu videos have not come. What's happening? Please make one. Please make one. And the best thing is that unfortunately, if you look around anywhere, there's so much of negativity, so much of depressed news around. And a lot of people tell us that our videos bring that smile on their face. So we are so happy that we can bring a smile on their face.
વત્સલ, ટેલ મી તમારો લોકડાઉનનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ કેવો રહ્યો છે? હવે તમે લોકો આઈ ગેસ આઈ બીન વોચિંગ યોર સ્ટોરીઝ that you guys have already started working, but so far how was the experience of lockdown?
I think lockdown for us was quite constructive. Like we used it a lot. Like my friends, they always tell me कि अगर lockdown को किसी ने use किया है तो तुम दोनों ने definitely use किया है, because like you said, we made a lot of videos. We worked on our craft. He started playing the flute. I started painting again.
Yes.
तो हमारी hobbies थी. We tried कि चलो जब हम we always complain कि time नहीं मिलता है. अभी इतना time मिल गया तो utilize करते कुछ करते हैं. And I think I'm happy now looking back that we made the most of it.
Both of you have worked on big screen and on like television. Can you guys tell us the best memories of big screen and small screen?
I think so many memories, but one question that a lot of people ask also is, what's the difference and which one do you like more? I think I can never choose, because I honestly had fun doing television shows as well as shooting for a film. I think that's completely different platforms. But in the end, it's about your character, it's about the people that you work with, it's about your interest and your love for, shooting. So I think I enjoyed both. But yes, in television, I think you make a lot of friends because you shoot for so many hours, for so many days, constantly आप मिलते हो, तो एक family बन जाती है. And when the show gets over, it's really sad because it's almost like family टूट गई है, सब अपने अपने काम पे लग जाते हैं. And then most of us are in touch. So I think that's the difference that I feel.
Yeah, I mean, as she said that, I feel earlier, because I started my career with a TV show called Just Mohabbat. Films were very different then. But now if you compare, it's almost at par. Actually now TV audience has grown up by leaps and bounds. The reach has become massive. So apart from the medium, as an actor, we really don't differentiate between a TV, movie, ad film, or a web series. So for us, it's the same. And the best part about TV is that you get a feedback immediately. As soon as the episode is aired, you get those, fan clubs, and they start tweeting about it, talking about it, they liked it or not. So you can start correcting.
Both of you have worked with Ajay Devgan. You in Tarzan and you in Drishyam, yeah. So how was it working with Ajay Devgan?
Really good. I was very nervous initially because such great actors on set, and it was my first film. So of course, but then I think the first scene was with him and the entire family, and I was just fine after that. I was very nervous, but I think he makes you feel so comfortable that after that, you are like, okay. So I think I had a really, really great experience, and the film has done so well. I think it's one of those projects in my life that people associate me by, like recognize me. Like I got a lot of appreciation after that film. So I think that is one film which is going to be always very, very close to me and very dear to me.
Same with me, I've been very fortunate to, have worked with Ajay sir in my first film, Tarzan. it was a dream come
And
true.
people still know you as a Tarzan guy, yeah?
I know,
The
I know, I
Tarzan, the
know.
Wonder Car guy, yeah.
I know it was amazing. I mean, it was the best experience. And yes, I just actually said, one of the, like the best person, to work with. He's such a great human being. Apart from being a great actor, got to learn so much from him. And till date, I always go back to him, for advices. He's always there. So it was an amazing experience. And I'm very fortunate to have been, part of Tarzan and to have worked with Ajay sir.
So Vatsal, as you mentioned કે તમે સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું just મોહબ્બતેથી, તો ત્યારે જ like when you came on the screen and all the girls used to go gaga over કે અચ્છા હા we like that guy with this gray eyes and all of that. So how you used to deal with that attention at that point of time and how it has changed now?
I used to blush then, and I blush now. So it's not changed. I love getting those compliments till date.
I'll tell you a story when we got married and uske baad, I think for the next few months I kept getting so many messages from his girl fan following, like fans, they would message me on Insta and be like, how can you marry him? No, you cannot marry him. And it was actually fun. So I used to read those and I used to make him read and I'm like, see, what people are writing, like especially girls, like only girls. And I think it's a compliment for any actor when your fans are crazy about you and they love you so much. And so yeah, I think it must be feeling awesome.
Yeah.
It's a great feeling.
We have seen your chemistry on reels. Can you just tell us તમારી love story તમે અમને કહેશો તમને કોઈ કેવી રીતે મળ્યા? How you guys connected? How was it?
So we met
Real
on the
life
set.
love story.
In real life, we met on the sets of our show, and that's the first time we ever met. We did a mock shoot, show shuru ho gaya, and then I think we immediately connected. I mean, Vatsal is someone who doesn't talk a lot, and I talk like a lot. But I don't know how, like we are so opposite from each other, but we connected and we used to chill a lot on set, and then we had a group, and then we used to go out also. Unfortunately, the show got over very fast, but we kept in touch, we kept meeting. And then धीरे धीरे, so it was not like a very typical love story, like जो मतलब romance हुआ प्यार हुआ ऐसा नहीं. I think we just liked each other's company, and I think we were very mature about it, and we spoke about it that we like each other, and I think in few months, not we didn't even date for a year. कुछ महीने बाद ही इन्होंने बोला कि अब when we like each other, so let's just get married. So I was shocked. I was like, "Huh?" My entire family was shocked, but I said, "Yeah, it makes sense." शादी हो गई.
ગુજરાતી છોકરાઓને બહુ ડાયા હોય, સીધા હોય, બહુ ફરાવે નહીં છોકરીને, સીધું પોઈન્ટ ઉપર આવી ગયા કે લગ્ન કરી નાખે. What is this?
We thought अभी मिल गई अच्छी लड़की तो फिर why to waste time? Let's just get married.
I have to tell you she's not told you okay, why. What is the reason? I
That is
actually
not a
asked.
reason. He's just joking.
No. That's the reason. So I'm going to tell you, like all you guys who are watching us, that why actually I asked her to marry me is because she and she where she used to live and where I used to live, it was around say around 7-8 kilometers away. But
20 minutes. Yeah.
but because of the metro work going on in Mumbai, ट्रैफिक इतना बुरा था तो मैं उसको बोला था देख मैं तुझे रोज मिलने आता हूँ मैं इतना टाइम वेस्ट करता हूँ ऊपर से वहाँ कोई अच्छे कॉफी शॉप्स भी नहीं है तो उससे बेटर है शादी कर लेते.
आपको वत्सल में ऐसे टिपिकल गुजराती लड़कों वाले कोई ट्रेट्स दिखते हैं?
Food, I think. This
Food.
khakra, papra,
Thepla, jalebi.
and having some dry.
By the way, she's also become a jalebi lover.
I love jalebi and papra, but he needs like lunch के बाद भी he'll have snacks. मतलब snacks is always there, like
So-
24/7 snacks.
हाँ,
We've been to
चाहिए रहता है.
We've been to Ahmedabad a couple of times, and every time we come to Ahmedabad, she says, "Listen, can we have jalebi and papda, please?"
Okay, that is really yum. Jalebi, papda, and khandvi.
Khandvi, yes.
Thepla, these are my favorite. Like I think, thanks to Gujaratis for introducing us to these kind of foods.
So, is he mama's boy like all Gujarati boys?
Not really.
I am a very soft-spoken. I don't speak too much. I am a very I'm quite an introvert.
He's
So-
really an introvert. So when we have family functions, sometimes I think it'll look like I am a part of that family and he is like not from that family because he is in some corner sitting, reading his book, and we all are having fun and chilling. So यही outsider लगता है, मैं ही उनके घर की लगती हूँ.
So I had like very few quick questions for you guys. Like Ishita, one thing that you absolutely love about Vatsal.
He's very honest, very straightforward, no boom ke baat, सीधा straight to the point, and I like that about him. I think it's real. I am someone who appreciates that in a person.
And Vatsal, what about you?
Same thing about her. You know, she's also very honest and.
Don't copy her answers,
And-
okay?
He copied me.
No, but she
He's
is,
copying
you know, and she's very, very pretty and beautiful.
But that's not a quality. I need to know quality.
So I'm giving you quality, like you want to listen to the quality. Okay, the other quality which I like, she's quite selfless. She really doesn't think about her first, you know. She thinks about, because I'm very, very fussy about food. Like most of the Guju boys are very fussy about food. And whenever we travel, you know, we always go to place where I want to go. And she's quite happy and she's
तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना देने चाहिए
I think
हमेशा.
anything. मुझे बस अच्छा खाना चाहिए. It
everybody
doesn't matter.
ये उसकी अच्छी quality है ना, she's selfless and I really like that about her.
The one thing that you absolutely do not like about Vatsal.
Sometimes he's not social. Like he'll be in the place, but he's so lost. Like he doesn't talk. So sometimes I have to like push him and be like, "Baat karo," you know, like talk. So he doesn't talk a lot, which for a talkative person becomes very difficult.
I'm a good listener. Somebody has to listen.
Abhi- I had the same question for you, Vatsal, that the one thing that you absolutely do not like about Ishita.
शादी के पहले मैं रात को 11 बजे सो जाता था, सुबह 8 बजे उठ जाता था. शादी के बाद 2-3 बजे तक नहीं सोते हम लोग और 12 बजे उठते हैं. एंड ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ उनको रात को नींद ही नहीं आती है और सुबह नींद आती है. So I think one quality which I think
No, I
I'm not
agree.
very happy or I don't like about her, that you know she's doesn't sleep early and you know she's a very late riser.
Yeah, I
So
want
now-
to change that honestly, but
Yeah.
I just cannot.
Did he cook during the lockdown? I got a question.
Yeah. He's learned.
मैंने बहुत
Like I
कुछ
said,
किया.
I get up late, so breakfast किसी को चाहिए तो problem है because I'll be sleeping, and मुझे कोई सुबह को उठा दे तो मतलब problem है.
And
Nobody
हमारे
can take me.
and during lockdown we didn't have any
We didn't have anyone at
cooks
home.
or any help, so it was just two of us. तो मैं जल्दी उठता था तो मुझे I'm a morning person and I need my breakfast. And being a typical Gujarati, I need I can't have thanda breakfast. I need like garam breakfast. So actually
Wow.
I started making poha, upma,
Sandwich. I
Sand-
think
grilled
he's
sandwiches,
learned
so
a lot. Yeah. See, I taught you something nice.
Thank you.
Now, his favorite food and his favorite song.
His favorite song, he's more of a the kind of music that he likes is musical instrumental. मतलब गाने नहीं होंगे. It will be more like a spa music. So whenever you enter the room and he's chilling, वो flute बज रहा है, music spa चल रहा होता है. There's like a diffuser in the corner, अच्छा smell आ रहा है. Full like you can come and just go to sleep. That is his kind of music. उसमें particularly I don't know which one. And his favorite food, I think one thing that he eats a lot is भेगा दाल भात. Otherwise, I think he likes pizza, burger. Sham ko he will not eat normal food. It's always fancy. So it has to be burger, pizza, pav bhaji,
Pani puri.
pani
We had
puri.
pani puri
Yesterday we had pani puri. So it's always fancy.
And what about Vatsal? What do you think? What Ishita likes? What is her favorite song and food?
Food wise, she loves posto.
Yeah, but one more thing that I really really like Vatsal.
You love posto.
नहीं जो बाहर मिलता है.
जो बाहर मिलता है. डोसा.
How can you not know this? Posto तो घर का खाना है. One thing that I crave and I make my mom make it and. whenever I
Come
go
on,
out-
Vatsal. You have to answer this.
She likes Chinese. No, I think Chinese you like, but I just
But I
thought that
love
like
Chinese.
a homemade posto.
Homemade तो मम्मी का खाना, but I love noodles. Noodles is like my favorite.
And what's her favorite song?
Favorite song? She likes lot of songs.
Yeah, I can't choose.
She loves listening to songs. She loves Friends, by the
Okay.
way.
I'm very curious, being a Friends fan, who is your favorite character out of the 6?
I can never choose because even I keep asking myself, whom do I like more? So one episode I'll see and I'll be like probably Rachel or Monica. Then suddenly I'm like, no, I like Chandler. Then I love Joey also. I love Phoebe also. I love Ross. So I love all the characters. I think that is one show where each and every character is so unique, so different, and they are so well put together that I don't think so. No, most of the people can't choose because they are like all so good.
Yeah, true. But आप किस मोनिका, फीबी और रेचल में से किससे आप सबसे ज्यादा रिलेट कर पाते हो?
Monica. Because
Okay.
I like cooking, I clean a lot. So I think those qualities are very similar to what Monica has.
And what do you think Vatsal is more of like? Chandler or Joey or Ross?
Maybe a mix of Ross and Chandler.
So I have this question, like all the girls they go gaga over के अरे वत्सल की आंखें बहुत अच्छी है, he's very handsome. What is that one particular feature that you just love of Vatsal?
I think I love feature, like physical feature. I think, of course, eyes and smile. I think his smile is also very naughty. Like you just know उसका अलग-अलग smile आता है. Sometimes he's very naughty and sometimes he's very like. So I like his smile. But what I like about him is the way he makes me feel.
Okay, Vatsal, now you have to tell this about Ishita.
I actually love her eyes. I mean, I told you about that how selfless you are and which I like, and I actually I'm very fond of her hair, and I've always tell her don't cut her hair, but she loves cutting her hair. So
I'm very scared to go to the parlor because I'll cut my hair and then he'll be like, बाल काट दिए. So yeah.
So she's got like a very, very pretty and beautiful straight hair, which a lot of girls really like it. Like she doesn't even need to do ironing and all. ऐसे ही सीधे हो जाते हैं. So I tell her that
I like
that's-
curls. Anyway,
Yeah, okay, she likes curls, but so I always tell her that listen, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair. So I think hair is also one thing which I really like.
Okay, guys, so it was great having you. बहुत
Thank you so
मजा
much.
आई.
Thank you so much. हमने पर बहुत मजा आ गई.
मजा आ गई.
बहुत मजा आ गई. And we'll make sure that we continue this Pinky or Pintu's Chutkule. By the way, I'm very excited about my first Gujarati film, which is out and out comedy called Who Mari Wife Ne Husband. Unfortunately, because of lockdown, it's still stuck. જ્યારે theatre ચાલુ થશે ખુલશે ત્યારે my film is going to come out, and I'm very very excited because my first Gujarati film, and I'm very very happy with it. Again, it's a comedy, so fingers crossed. And જ્યારે theatres ખુલે ત્યારે please જઈને જોજો મારી picture. I'm sure તમને બહુ ગમશે.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
so
you.
cute having
Thank
you
you.
guys. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.